Rather than looking at another sustained long-term downtrend like the last example, let's take a look at an opposing scenario. We begin with a normal slowdown to the drop as the Bollinger Bands Width indicator reaches lower levels and flattens, prior to a noticeable spike back up. What's different here is the strong bullish presence that will eventually slow down as the indicator also begins to plateau and reverse back down to lower values. As expected, price begins to move in a narrower range, and although it flattens somewhat, there's still a noticeable shallow incline, which means if there's another series of green candles strongly closing higher, it could be said there's strength behind a bullish continuation once there's another sharp reversal back up for the Bollinger Bands Width indicator. Naturally, this overwhelming bullish context is only maintained for a brief period before the market returns back to another period of lower volatility with less directional movement in this repeating cycle.